Welcome to Top Reviews Lab. The best Afterease Pregnant is probably one of the most sought-after solutions for expectant mothers navigating the unique discomforts and challenges of pregnancy, offering a specialized blend of ingredients designed to provide targeted relief and support during this transformative period. This product aims to address common pregnancy-related issues such as nausea, fatigue, and swelling, making the journey smoother and more comfortable for those carrying a child. Its formulation is carefully crafted with the well-being of both mother and baby in mind, ensuring safety and efficacy throughout the trimesters. Number 5. Ebanel 5% Lidocaine Numbing Cream. Experience rapid relief from pain, burns, and itching. This cream is designed to quickly numb the affected area for comfort. Our maximum strength formula provides potent topical anesthetic action. It's engineered for effective and powerful pain management. Enriched with allantoin and vitamin E, it soothes and protects your skin. These ingredients help to calm irritation while numbing. This is perfect for local numbing needs and specific anorectal uses. It offers a versatile solution for various discomforts. Find effective relief for hemorrhoid discomfort. This cream provides targeted treatment to alleviate symptoms. Packaged in a convenient 1.35-ounce size, it's easy to use at home or on the go. Keep it handy for whenever you need it. What we like. This offers maximum strength numbing for quick relief. It's perfect for those experiencing significant pain, burns, or itching. If you need fast and potent topical anesthetic, this is your go-to. What people say. It works. It works like a miracle. I spread it on, not thick at all but thick enough to make sure it got to the skin. I did trim first but well, you know. I remembered the reviews that said not to rub it in too much, just leave it on the surface, so I did. I couldn't figure out how to cover it with plastic though, so I got a large plastic bag, similar to a garbage bag, and cut out leg holes. I wore that for 20 minutes and went to put on another coat. I was already numb. I couldn't feel a thing, but even so, I wanted the second coat, hoping it would reach a deeper level and to make sure I was as numb as possible. Again, I put my plastic bag back on and waited until I washed that off about 15 minutes later and was totally numb. I'm happy to report that I completed the entire job and barely used about 1/8 of the bottle. With numbing using this? Relaxed, quick, could still feel it but absolutely tolerable. It goes from not numbed, hot oil burning sensation x10. To numbed, a light rubber band snapping. I'm talking, extremely tolerable. It lasted the entire 4 tattoos in the removal session. This stuff works great. I'm gonna use it every time, no questions asked. Highly recommended, and it actually works. The key is to apply it early and wrap it in plastic so it numbs the area properly. Perfect for tattoos or small procedures. Number 4. Earth Mama Organic Nipple Butter. Discover the gentle, organic solution for your nursing needs. This cream is specially formulated to provide comfort and relief. Feel confident while breastfeeding with our carefully crafted formula. It's designed to be safe and effective for both you and your baby. Incorporate this essential into your postpartum recovery. It's a must-have for any nursing mother seeking comfort. Experience the benefits of a non-lanolin nipple cream. This alternative offers soothing properties without common irritants. Provide your skin with the gentle yet effective care it deserves. This product ensures a comfortable and nurturing experience. Join countless mothers who trust this product for their nursing journey. It's a reliable choice for everyday comfort. What we like. This is an organic and natural option, ensuring safety for both mom and baby. Its lanolin-free formula is ideal for sensitive skin. If you prioritize natural ingredients and need a safe solution for nursing, this is an excellent choice. What people say. It's very soothing and provides quick relief without feeling greasy or heavy. I love that it's made with organic ingredients, which gives me peace of mind, especially when using it while breastfeeding. It really does soothe my nipples and makes the skin feel more supple and prepared for pumping. I've found it reduces that initial friction and discomfort significantly. It's very gentle on the skin and provides noticeable relief from dryness and irritation. One of the biggest advantages is that it's made with organic ingredients and is safe for breastfeeding, so there's no need to wipe it off before feeding. Number 3. Boiron Arnicare Gel 2.5 ounces. Introducing Arnicare Gel, a trusted name in natural pain relief. This soothing gel is designed to provide targeted comfort when you need it most. Experience fast-acting relief with our powerful formula. It's designed to quickly address discomfort and help you get back to your day. Whether it's from a bump or a tough workout, this gel is perfect for soothing bruises and easing muscle soreness. Feel the difference it can make. Enjoy the convenience of a non-greasy formula that's easy to apply. It absorbs quickly, leaving no sticky residue behind. Keep this essential remedy on hand for everyday aches and pains. It's your reliable partner for comfort and well-being. What we like. This gel utilizes the power of Arnica montana for soothing relief. Its non-greasy formula absorbs quickly, making it convenient for on-the-go use. If you're looking for a natural way to address bruising and muscle soreness, consider this option. What people say. The gel is lightweight, non-greasy, and fragrance-free, so it absorbs quickly and doesn't leave any residue on the skin. It helps me with my pain. I have purchased more than once. Best relief for healing soft tissue pain, bruising, sprains. Number 2. Frida Mom Postpartum Underwear. Introducing the ultimate postpartum solution designed for new mothers. Experience unparalleled comfort and support during your recovery journey. These disposable boy short panties offer a seamless fit with gentle stretch support. They are designed to move with you, providing comfort without restriction. As a new mom, you deserve the best. This 8-piece set provides essential comfort and convenience for the postpartum period. Engineered for your postpartum recovery, these provide a secure and comfortable fit. Focus on healing and bonding, not on discomfort. Available in size ML, they comfortably fit waists from 28 to 42 inches. Enjoy a perfect, supportive fit throughout your postpartum journey. What we like. These offer disposable convenience with a seamless design for ultimate comfort. They provide gentle stretch support, which is crucial postpartum. If you value ease of use and a comfortable, supportive fit during your recovery, these are a must-have. What people say. They're super stretchy, so they don't dig in anywhere, but they still give enough support to make you feel held together during those first few days when everything is sore and swollen. These Frida Mom ones handled absorbency really well. They held the big postpartum pad securely without shifting or bunching, which made moving around way easier. They feel noticeably thicker and more substantial than the typical hospital mesh underwear, which makes them feel more secure and way more comfortable during recovery. Number 1. Frida Mom 15-piece labor and postpartum kit. Introducing the Frida Mom 15-piece labor and postpartum kit. It's the perfect gift for expecting mothers and baby showers. This comprehensive set includes essentials for your recovery journey. You'll find everything you need for comfort and care. It features a peri bottle, nursing gown, and disposable underwear for ultimate convenience. These items are designed for your comfort. Experience soothing relief with ice maxi pads, pad liners, and perineal foam. These are designed to help you feel better. We've also included cozy socks and a handy toiletry bag. It's a complete package to support you during this special time. This kit makes an ideal gift for any mom-to-be. Give the gift of comfort and preparedness. What we like. This is a complete labor and postpartum kit designed for new moms. It includes all the essentials for comfort and recovery, making it a perfect gift. If you're preparing for childbirth or looking for a comprehensive and thoughtful gift for an expecting mother, this set has you covered. What people say. The product is designed to provide relief during pregnancy. It offers a comfortable and supportive experience for expectant mothers. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.